Welcome to Annie's Hub.
Welcome to Annie's Hub. Hi guys, how are you all? Stay home, stay safe.
Guys, what's up? What you're going to do now?
We are going to draw something. Can you guess Charu and Anirudh? What we are going to draw? Okay, you can keep thinking. I will make some clues. Okay, I will make a clue one. It will be in land and water. Clue 2. Which animal lives for many years? Clue 3. Which animal has shell in its body? I found! It is tortoise! Yes, you're correct. It lives for 500 years. Wow, so many years.
Oh, it lives for 500 years.
Yes. And its body will be more shells.
Yes.
So only I give a clue that it has a shell in its body.
Yes. Okay. Come, let's go into the video.
Okay. Now we are going to draw a turtle. Yes. Now we have completed our turtle. How is it?
Okay, very nice.
Okay. In this drawing we have some special. What is it?
Something special.
Yes. Can you guess what is it?
Okay, there's something in front of you. What is that?
We won't tell the answer.
Okay, I will guess. If I'm not wrong, you're going to do shell drawing.
Yay!
Okay, with the shells you have.
Okay, now we can take all the shells. Wow.
Wow, the shells are so colorful.
Yes. Can you guess why we have painted the two colors, that red and green alone?
Because the turtle will be in that color, right?
Yes. Correct. Okay. Now let us Now we are going to paste it. It is the special one in this drawing.
Okay, I'm eagerly waiting to see your final drawing.
Yes. Okay, now we can start to paste it. See, we have a first painted red color. After that, we have given a design with a black color. Okay, we can paste now. Do it slowly and neatly. Yes. Now we can start coloring. And if you are coloring closely.
Wow, your shell turtle is very nice.
Yes. After coloring, I will show fully.
Okay.
is going to ready. After coloring our shell, our tortoise and our shell, our coloring, it will be so pretty.
Yes.
We have pasted for leg also with a shell.
Yes, it's looking nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. You like tortoise?
Yes, I like Anirudh.
You have seen a tortoise?
No.
Have you
Have you seen in the seashore?
Yeah.
Now our turtle is ready.
Ready.
Wait, after closing the stitch, we will show.
Wow, super.
See, this is the beach.
Okay.